Experiencing problems with your Rogers Flex channels? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues, particularly with on-demand content and live streaming. These problems often boil down to two main culprits: entitlements and channel swaps. Let's break them down. Entitlements are essentially digital permissions that grant you access to specific channels based on your Rogers Flex subscription. Issues arise when the app can't verify these entitlements, leading to error messages or blocked content. This can happen after plan upgrades due to regional restrictions, or simply from temporary sync errors between the app and Rogers servers. Channel swaps, on the other hand, refer to the process of manually or automatically reallocating channels, often done during technical maintenance or when troubleshooting. Understanding these two concepts is the first step to fixing your channel problems. As of November 2025, Rogers has been actively patching these issues, but some users, especially on Android devices, still experience them. First, ensure your Rogers Flex app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause entitlement verification failures. Next, try restarting your app and device. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. Clear the app's cache to remove stored data that might be causing issues. Verify your internet connection is stable, with at least 25 Mbps download speed recommended. If problems persist, manually refresh your entitlements by contacting Rogers support for a reset. As a temporary workaround, try swapping channels by manually selecting an alternate feed in the app settings. For persistent issues, utilize Rogers Flex's AI chatbot pilot for self-troubleshooting assistance.